We are pleased to invite you all to our presentation on the BRV information storing tools offered by Tamil Nadu Textbook Services. You can access the BRV entry screen with the help of the login screen. Additionally, each printer has a unique ID that we refer to as printer number, and each printer must use its printer number as an ID together with a password. Click the button to bring up your BRV entering form now. We may now see the BRV entry screen, which resembles your earlier online interface. 3 combination boxes related to zone, region, and go down are visible at the top. You must now pick the region. The relevant zones and drop-downs will appear in the designated fields. If there is information about a free copy, you can choose the zone that best suits your needs. If not, you nothing to do. The next step is to choose the BRV series and date. Next, choose the order year and the necessary print order number to obtain the BRV details. Next, choose the print order date for BRV details. Choose the copy type for the BRV information, either free or sale copy. Next, a mode must be chosen: web offset or sheet fed. Only the printer name associated with the requested login will be accessible for BRV information. Next, enter the DC quantity, which will appear in the net copies and delivery quantity sections. Then the carrier options, which include entering the vehicle's details and registration number, must be entered if. Then the user's remarks field selection. Next, choose the appropriate term, that is season, standard, that is class, medium, that is language, and tile, that is book names for the BRV information. The data will then be saved in the grid view at the bottom when you click the Save button. If you made a mistake in the BRV data that grid view stores, you can fix it by selecting the appropriate row. The information you choose in grid view will appear on the entry screen, where you can make any necessary corrections before saving. You can store your completed grid view BRV data by clicking the Save to CSV option and creating a CSV file. Please click the refresh button to view your freshly saved CSV file after saving it. Then choose the file name. The result that you supplied in the CSV file will appear at the bottom of the built-in Excel viewer. This provides a comprehensive explanation of all the facts regarding the user's entry of fresh BRV data.